How to track your learning progress in Khan Academy. If you have been using the Khan Academy application and wondering on how to track your progress that you have been learning or studying on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto settings at the top right corner. Just right here, select it. Then here you can find view progress report. Just right here, select it. Then here you can see this cannot be available in the app, so you need to open in browser, tap on it. Now you have been onto the Khan Academy website. Now scroll down, then here you can find my progress right here. Now from here you can simply see your progress. So simply tap on to last 7 days and you can simply choose the time just like this. And here you can find all the activities and the progress that you have did. And that's it. This is how you can track your learning progress in the Khan Academy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.